Planning your next adventure and wondering if your trusty GoPro can tag along? Stick around because I've got all the answers on flying with a GoPro. Can you bring a GoPro on a plane? Let's start with the good news. Yes, you can bring your GoPro in both carry-on and checked luggage. But there's a little twist. You'll need to remove it during security screening, just like any other electronic device larger than a cell phone. So, keep it handy. What about security checks? While the TSA doesn't mention GoPro specifically on their site, digital cameras, including GoPros, are completely fine to bring through security. Just remember to place it in a separate bin for X-ray screening. TSA confirms GoPros are allowed. I checked X, formerly Twitter, to dig deeper. A traveler directly asked TSA if they could bring a GoPro on a flight. TSA responded that digital cameras, including GoPros, are perfectly fine in carry-on bags. Just remember, like all electronics larger than a cell phone, it needs to go in a separate bin for X-ray screening at security. Simple enough, right? Carry-on or checked bag. So, where's the best place to pack your GoPro? Your carry-on bag is the safest choice. Checked luggage can be risky, items might get lost, damaged, or even stolen. Avoid the stress and keep your GoPro close. Know your airline's policy. Most airlines allow a carry-on bag and a personal item. If you're flying budget, they might charge for extra bags, so plan carefully to ensure your GoPro fits into your allowed luggage. Can you use a GoPro on board? Yes, you can film on board. Whether it's a vlog or capturing those amazing window views, most airlines allow it. Just keep in mind, during takeoff and landing, mounting your GoPro on the window may not be allowed. Always check with the flight crew first. How many batteries can you bring? You can bring uninstalled lithium-ion GoPro batteries in your carry-on bag, but never in your checked luggage. These batteries are a fire risk. Stick to the carry-on, and you're good to go. Quick tips for smooth travel. Here's a quick tip. Pack your GoPro in your personal item, so it's easy to grab at security. And don't forget to remove it when it's time for X-ray screening. Final thoughts. So, can you bring a GoPro on a plane? Absolutely. Just keep it in your carry-on, follow the TSA rules, and you're all set for your next adventure. Got questions about other travel gear? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other travel tips. Happy travels!